Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out one of the best carpet cleaner machines, perfect for tackling pet messes, stains, and everyday dirt. If you want pro-level carpet cleaning at home, stick around as we break down its features, pros, and cons. Let's get started. Product features: professional grade deep cleaning. The KW4010 uses dual-powered brush rolls to scrub deep into carpet fibers. This means even embedded dirt and grime don't stand a chance. It's ideal for high-traffic areas where regular vacuums just aren't enough. Stain and odor removal. Whether it's a muddy paw print, spilled wine, or an unexpected pet accident, this machine does a great job lifting stains and removing odors. It's especially helpful in homes with kids or pets. Dual tank system. With separate tanks for clean and dirty water, the KW4010 ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water. It's simple to see when each tank needs refilling or emptying, which keeps the process more efficient and sanitary. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Unlike bulky carpet cleaners, the KW4010 has a low-to-the-ground design and a lightweight build. It's easy to push, pull, and move from room to room without feeling like a workout. Easy maintenance. The brush roll cover is removable, so you can easily clean underneath and prevent clogs. This small feature adds big convenience and helps maintain peak performance over time. Accessories included. Right out of the box, the machine includes an 8-ounce trial bottle of carpet cleaning solution and a nozzle cleaning tool. Everything you need to get started and keep it running smoothly. Pros: powerful dual brush rolls for deep carpet cleaning. Great at removing stains and odors from pets and spills. User-friendly dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate. Lightweight, ergonomic design for easier handling. Removable brush roll cover simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Includes cleaning solution and maintenance tool for added value. Cons: limited tank capacity. While the dual tank design is efficient, the smaller size means you might need to refill or empty the tanks more often, especially when cleaning larger rooms or multiple carpets in one go. Final thoughts. The Kenmore KW4010 carpet cleaner machine strikes a strong balance between powerful cleaning performance and ease of use. It's a great solution for anyone who wants cleaner, fresher carpets without hiring professionals. Its deep cleaning ability, combined with stain removal, odor control, and a lightweight, manageable build, makes it especially suitable for pet owners, families, or anyone who wants a reliable cleaner on standby. Yes, the tanks might need more frequent attention in larger homes, but the overall performance and features more than make up for it. If you're interested in the Kenmore KW4010, check out the price link in the description below for the best deals and more info. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Product for more detailed reviews on the latest tech for your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.